Blue Cross Travel Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Blue Cross Travel Insurance Canada app is built to make managing your travel coverage simple and accessible. Many assume it's just a policy viewer, but the app lets you purchase plans, submit claims, track reimbursements, and access essential travel resources from your smartphone. On a pros side, the app provides instant access to policy details including coverage limits, plan types, and emergency contacts. Claims can be submitted with guided instructions, and documents or receipts can be uploaded directly from your device. Push notifications keep you updated on claim progress, policy changes, and upcoming coverage periods. Travel resources such as safety tips, destination guidance, and emergency contacts add extra value for travelers. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slow performance when accessing detailed claim histories. Advanced planning tools, such as multi-trip comparisons or cost estimators, are not available, which may limit detailed travel planning. In conclusion, the Blue Cross Travel Insurance Canada app is a reliable, practical tool for managing travel coverage. While it lacks advanced planning features, it effectively handles claims, purchases, and policy monitoring, keeping travelers informed and in control. For anyone seeking convenience and peace of mind on the go, this app is a strong choice.